Hello friends! Today I will prepare a slimming drink for you. Ginger accelerates metabolism, lowers blood sugar, helps with poisoning, improves blood circulation. Due to its high concentration of vitamin A, B vitamins and gingerol. Ginger strengthens the immune system and helps fight bacteria. Mint owes its powerful antioxidant effect to chlorogenic acid, and the presence of ursolic acid in it prevents atrophy of muscle tissue, especially in the elderly. In a complex, these two acids resist the aging of the body, which is why mint is often called the herb of longevity. This vegetable has a diuretic effect, so cucumbers will be useful in the fight against edema. Cucumbers contain fiber which cleanses the intestines of harmful cholesterol. Vitamin C is able to reduce the level of cholesterol in the blood. Lemon promotes the breakdown of fats, thus helping to lose weight. Lemon juice prevents the formation of kidney stones. Put all the ingredients in the saucepan and pour 1.5 liters of water. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 2 cinnamon sticks. Cook for 15 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. This drink will help you lose 3 kilos in 5 days. Drink a glass of this drink an hour before meals. Friends, write in the comments if you like this drink for weight loss. Do you have your own recipes? Subscribe to the channel and see even more new recipes. Thank you for your attention.